Hi folks, welcome back to Cattaleacres. You're watching the Chasing the Muses playlist. I'm Deb, and today I'm bringing you the third video in my book review challenge. This one is on writing the creative article. This is by Marjorie Holmes, and this volume, Holmes explores the ins and outs of writing creative articles for magazines and newspapers and the like. Now, before I go too much further, I want to let you know that this book, reprinted 3 times, was last published in 1976, so this is not a brand new book. The information in this book is necessarily dated, but it was good advice probably for when it was published. In the 1960s and 1970s, periodical sales were high, and there was a lot of pages to fill with personal interest stories, humor, experiences, those kinds of things. But now, in today's world, these things mostly show up in blogs and on social media. So there are far fewer periodicals even going into print. A lot of them are only coming out online. So unless you can write to their audience or to their focus, there isn't a whole lot of interest in the market. That isn't to say it's an impossible market, just that the advice in this book is particularly dated. That said, the author's voice is personable, it's pleasant, and that probably means that she did a really good job, in her market for her time. She wrote well in this area, and that adds to the idea that this was probably very sound advice in its day. It wasn't really for me, but perhaps it will offer up some gems of ageless wisdom to someone writing in a different genre that are just lost on me. Let me see here. What else did I want to say? If you've been watching the Chasing the Muses playlist or the other videos on this playlist, then you know that in the book review challenge videos, I have a code word for you. And this month's code word is nostalgia, because that's what this book filled me with. It took me back to days of reading, Reader's Digest and Woman's Day and the things that Mom would get. And while those are still in production today, their circulation is definitely not what it used to be. Things were definitely different then. It was a whole different vibe. So don't forget, also, we are bringing you new writing, productivity, and creativity book reviews every month this year. So you can collect all of those code words and enter for a chance to win each of the books that I'm reviewing in the 2024 Book Review Challenge. In December, you can email all the code words to cattaleacres@gmail.com, and I'll put that link below, to enter the drawing with all the code words, and then join us live on New Year's Eve to see if you've won. Oh, and don't forget also that if you like this kind of content, you can click the like and subscribe buttons, and then you will get notified every time we bring you another book review video. Yeah. So until next time, y'all be safe, be well, and we'll see you.